Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Swati and today I will discuss about the hot topic of the world, that is coronavirus. So let's come with me. So as we all know, we are suffering with coronavirus and now it's becoming a big threat for our world. As per the rolling data, 54,36,954 people were infected, and out of them 3,44,550 people were dead. 230 countries and 2 international convents were infected. So I want to ask something. Is it only coronavirus or something else is there? Yes, no doubt it is coronavirus only, but the main disease name is COVID-19. It is not a corona disease. It's a COVID-19. Yes, it is a family of coronavirus. So what do we mean by COVID-19? COVID-19 means CO, which stands for corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease, and 19 stands for the outbreak occurred in 2019, and according to that it was named as COVID-19. So the disease name is COVID-19. Okay. So if it is infecting the global, then we should call it is a global pandemic. Pandemic means when any disease that transfer from one countries to different countries and likewise it spreads to the whole of our world, then it is called as global pandemic or it's a pandemic disease. See in this photographs also, just a minute. Yeah, in this photograph also you can see how this disease is infecting from one countries or transmitting from one countries to different countries. So this is called pandemic because it is acquiring the whole world, right? So we should know if COVID-19 is the disease, then what is the causative agent? The causative agent is SARS-CoV-2, means COVID-19 caused by a novel coronavirus which is known as SARS-CoV-2. So what do we mean by SARS-CoV-2? What is the full form of it? Full form of SARS-CoV-2 is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Okay, so the agent which is infecting us, that is SARS-CoV-2, is a type of coronavirus, right? Now what is the structure of this coronavirus? This coronavirus is made up of many proteins. Example: M protein, S protein, N protein, E protein and He protein. The details of this protein I will explain in my next video. This is just for introduction. So what is the full form of this proteins? S protein, known as spike proteins, and students, the spike proteins is the main protein that interact with our body, our receptor, and by which it can get a entry towards our body. Next is M protein. M protein is a membrane protein which helps to stabilize this virus in its form, right? And then nuclear protein, and N for nuclear protein. And then next is your envelope protein, which helps to form an envelope, and the last one is the heme esterase dimer. So these are the some common protein that are present in the coronavirus, means the SARS-CoV-2. Now the question must be, why we called it as SARS-CoV-2? Because the genetic material is very similar to the SARS coronavirus that caused the outbreak in 2002 to 2003, right? So in a gist, I would like to say this is a virus that belongs to a group of enveloped virus containing linear non-segmented single-stranded positive sense strand RNA as a Genetic material means the genetic material is RNA, and that is positive sense strand and single stranded non-segmented. Okay, because most of the virus is having DNA as their genetic material, but it is having a RNA as its genetic material. Okay, and the most interesting fact is, till date means till 2019, 6 coronavirus were known to infect the humans. This is the 7th edition of human infecting virus. Okay, that means 6 coronavirus has been already detected previously. Okay, now the question is, why people said it is coronavirus? What is the meaning of that? When coronavirus was observed in electron microscope, it was observed as a pleomorph spike-like projection. Okay, and that effect as a solar corona, meaning crown-like structure. So due to this crown-like structure, people called it as a coronavirus. Okay, so here I will explain briefly how this infection occurs, the detailed pathogenesis, how it is infecting, how it is going inside to our body. I will explain it in my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's see. When any person is infected and a healthy person is coming in contact to this infected person, the entry of coronavirus occurs. Okay, and as I have mentioned before, that the spike protein is the main protein that helps to interact or that helps to enter to the human body, and ACE protein is another receptor that is present inside our body, which helps or which give a way to enter the virus inside our body. When it enters to our body, it goes to our lungs, and in our lungs it try to form a mucus layer. Okay, this is the healthy one, and then it try to infect. This is the infection occurred and it is totally infected. Okay, when this infection occurs, formation of mucus layer forms inside the airways of the lungs, and due to that, different types of our immune systems, different cellular organelles from our immune system activates, and like your macrophage, monocytes, different B cell, T cell, it gets activated. So all this under some IL 2, 3, etc. they get in, they activate it, and that ultimately leads to this alveolar edema, pneumonia, sympathetic nervous system, high fever, and difficulty in breathing or shortness of breathing and blood flow. All these things get disrupted, which leads to ultimate illness of the individual. So basically here I want to say the spread occurs primarily from person to person through small droplets from nose or mouth, which expelled when a person with COVID-19 coughs, sneezes, speaks, etc. And all these symptoms can be visible within 2 to 14 days. But dear friends, remember, this time most of the people are asymptomatic, means they are not showing any symptoms. That means if a people or a person is carrying this COVID-19, he or she may not show any symptoms. That means your social distancing is must, and you should know how you can keep yourself safe, fit and fine. So for this time I am requesting everyone, please stay in home and maintain a healthy life. Thank you so much, and if you like my channel and you want to see such videos about this coronavirus and mostly in microbiology, then please follow me in Instagram and my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thank you so much.